Hey everyone, I'm Gayatri and welcome to my channel Cakes Love Company. Today I want to share a very foundation recipe with you, something that is used in a lot of cake recipes and cookies as well. And a lot of times I feel people buy it pre-packaged, but this is so simple and very easy to make at home with just the basic ingredients that you'll already be having in your kitchen. We are making self-raising flour. For this, we need 260 grams of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. So now that we have our ingredients ready, all we need to do is mix these together. So here goes the baking powder and salt. Mix it well. The idea with self-raising flour is that all the ingredients, all the dry ingredients that are there have to mix really well. And for it to mix really well, just stirring it with spoon is not enough. For this you need a sieve. Any sieve at home that you have is fine. And we need to sieve this 4 to 5 times. Just make sure no lumps in your flour and everything goes through the sieve. This is a long process and it has to go through a couple of times. We've already sieved the flour twice. This is the third time. So I saw this hack on social media where they used a massage gun to sieve the flour. And I thought, what a better day to try it. So here goes. Oh. I must say it's a lot of fun and it does speed up the process. Yeah, and we are done. This would have taken a minute, but now it's taken less. So if you have a massage gun, try it, the hack, or like the usual way, go for it. So here it is, your self-raising flour is ready and you can use it in any recipe. It's homemade, you know what's gone inside. You've taken care of the hygiene part of it. So do try this and I'll soon be posting recipes which will be using self-raising flour as well. And if you're liking my videos, do like, share and subscribe and comment below as well if you try the recipes, how did you find them? I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.